When you search for the best electric shaver for a teenager, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims, but to really find what actually works and what's just flashy, you need to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Philips Norcoco Shaver 2400. The Philips Norcoco Shaver 2400 immediately caught my eye with its sleek design and promise of a smooth shave, especially for younger skin. Priced competitively, this shaver is all about comfort and convenience. If you want a reliable starter shaver that minimizes irritation for sensitive skin, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This shaver features 27 self-sharpening comfort cut blades that cut just above the skin, making it perfect for a close yet gentle shave. The 4D flex heads adjust to the contours of your face, reducing the risk of nicks and cuts, something that's crucial for teens still getting the hang of shaving. Plus, the option for both dry and wet shaving means you can use it with foam or gel, even in the shower, which is super convenient. Now, some people complained about the shaver not coming with a power adapter. Here's the thing though, if you already have USB charging options, this isn't a deal breaker. It's still an excellent choice for someone just starting out. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable, no-fuss electric shaver that doesn't break the bank. Skip this one if you prefer a more high-tech gadget with more advanced features. For its price, it offers great value for a beginner. Now, if the lack of a power adapter bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Philips Norcoco 1360. The Philips Norcoco 1360 Hybrid is a game changer, or at least it felt that way when I first picked it up. With a unique 360-degree blade design and a competitive price, it's designed for versatility in shaving. If you're looking for something that's easy to use and effective for all hair lengths, this one deserves your attention. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The one-blade technology cuts at a speed of 12,000 strokes per minute, making it super efficient even on longer hairs. The 5-in-1 adjustable comb lets you set your desired length from 1 to 5 millimeters, giving you full control whether you want a clean shave or just some stubble. Plus, it's waterproof, which means you can bring it into the shower without a worry. However, some users have mentioned that the blade needs to be replaced every 4 months, which can add up. But honestly, the comfort and ease of use you get in return make this a worthwhile trade-off for many. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one tool that can handle different grooming tasks. Skip this one if you're looking for a more traditional shaver with fixed blades. Overall, it offers solid value for a multifunctional shaver. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for travel needs. Product number 3, Zoe Electric Foil Shaver. And I have to say, this mini razor really impressed me with its compact design and functionality. At around $36, it's priced right for a teenager's budget. If you're looking for something portable that doesn't skimp on performance, this might just be the one for you. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This shaver features titanium blades that glide effortlessly over your skin, which means less tugging and irritation. The IPX7 waterproof rating allows for both wet and dry use, so you can use it with shaving cream for a smoother shave. Plus, the LED display gives real-time battery info, so you're never caught off guard. Now, some users did mention that the mini size can feel a bit less substantial. Here's the thing. If you're someone who values portability over heft, this design is fantastic for travel and everyday use. It's perfect for you if you need something compact that you can easily throw in your bag. Skip this one if you prefer a bulkier shaver that feels more substantial in hand. It's a great value for a solid portable option. Now, if the smaller size didn't appeal to you, this next product packs a bit more punch.
Product number 4, Philips Norelco Shaver 3900. If you're looking for something a little more advanced, the Philips Norelco Shaver 3900 hits that sweet spot. I was drawn in by the Skin Protect technology and its stylish design. Priced around $67.96, it offers a bit more sophistication. If you want a shaver that minimizes skin irritation and delivers a close shave, this one's worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 5D pivoting head adjusts to the curves of your face, meaning it follows every contour for better contact and fewer missed spots. The comfort cut blades are rounded to protect your skin, and the option for wet or dry shaving gives you flexibility. You can enjoy up to 60 minutes of cordless use after just an hour of charging. However, some reviewers pointed out that the battery life could be better, especially for frequent travelers. But honestly, for daily use, the 60 minutes is usually more than sufficient. This is perfect for you if you want a smooth, irritation-free shave without the fuss. Skip this one if you need something ultra portable. It's a solid investment for quality. Now, if you're still considering features, the next one has some interesting highlights.
Product number 5, Braun Electric Series 3 Razor. We have the Braun Electric Series 3 Razor, which really stands out with its 3-blade free-floating system. Priced competitively, it promises a close and comfortable shave. If you want something reliable that can handle varying lengths without irritation, this might be your best bet. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The precision trimmer helps maintain your mustache and sideburns, while the microcomb technology captures more hair in each stroke, making your shaving process quicker and more efficient. It's designed for wet or dry use, so you can take it into the shower or use it with foam for added comfort. Now, some have mentioned that it may not be as effective on a longer beard, which could be a downside for some. But here's the thing. If you're a teen just starting your shaving journey, this won't be an issue at all. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable, straightforward shaver that can handle regular grooming. Skip this one if you have a very heavy beard. At this price point, it balances quality and performance well.
So, to recap, we've got the Philips Norelco Shaver 2400 for beginners, the versatile Norelco 1360 for all-around grooming, the portable M-Zoy electric foil, the advanced Philips Norelco Shaver 3900 for a gentle shave, and the Braun Series 3 for reliable performance. Each one has its strengths, so think about what features matter most to you. No matter which you choose, you'll be on your way to a cleaner, sharper look.